Hey, welcome to Machinery Video. Today we're going to get a look at a NEXUS 250 MS MAZAK quick turn machine. This machine is in good running order in all aspects, and we're going to see this machine briefly run and get a little walk around it. Go from there.
Gonna feed out real quick.
The quick turn NEXUS 250 MS machine features the MAZAK 640T NEXUS control system, and the control panel, as you can well see, is in impeccable condition for a machine of this vintage. This machine has been very well kept. This machine is complemented with the Iemca Master 880 MPE bar feeding system. All systems are operational on this machine. This machine is equipped with a coolant system and an operational chip conveyor. This machine has been impeccably maintained in an excellent machining facility. Please visit with us at www.wigglesworth.com to view our new additions and our featured machines. And as always, have a great day.